Hello, my name is Akshay Kumar and welcome to another Arduino video. This video will be all about buttons and how to use buttons in your Arduino circuits. So buttons are components that are pressed to operate an equipment or device, and they're just used to turn things on and off, and they can control the flow of electricity on demand, which is why they're so useful and why they're everywhere. So this video will just go over a simple Arduino circuit and how you can use buttons and how this specific Arduino box's buttons are used and created so that you can use them in your own Arduino equipment and circuits.
Cool.
So as you can see here, we have a simple circuit with a button and 3 light bulbs. So the way this works is we're having 5 volts coming out of the Arduino over here, and it passes through the button into this blue light bulb. Now, all of the light bulbs are connected to the ground, and only one light bulb right now is being turned on by the 5 volts. However, when I press this button, you will notice that the other 2 turn on. And that's because of how buttons work in this circuit. If you pick one up and look at the underside, you may notice that there are 2 lines connecting 2 pins, and those pins are the ones that are connected. So if we have the button right here, the electricity is going from this wire and straight through into the blue bulb and then into the ground. But when I press those lines, they intertwine, and now all points are connected, and now these 2 bulbs are now on, as you can see here. So that's just how buttons work using a simple circuit. And as you can see, if I just remove the white one, it works the same. And if I remove the blue one, now the only way to turn this green light bulb on would be to press this button. And that's why buttons are so useful, because now I can, on demand, turn this button on and off and do whatever I want with it. Now there are more ways to use buttons, and you might be wondering, what if I want to keep the light bulb on once I press it once? If I press it once, I want it to stay on. And in that case, we'll do that in another video. But what you want to do there is then you want your Arduino to read your buttons value. So this is just a simple circuit using the flow of electricity. It's been blocked, it goes nowhere right now, but now it's connected and there's the full circuit, so the light bulb turns on. So that was a short video on buttons and how buttons work. Like I mentioned, in the next video I'll be talking about how you can use the Arduino to think and using code to read the button and to create more dynamic codes in the future. So stay tuned for my next video on how to use the analog pins and how to use the input pins on your Arduino. Thank you.